In automotive manufacturing, precision drives performance, and perfection leaves no room for error. A single production delay, a data mismatch, or a missed quality check can ripple across the supply chain. To stay ahead, manufacturers need more than speed. They need intelligence that connects design, production, and delivery. At Kanerika, we help automotive enterprises streamline operations, predict demand, and maintain quality through AI, data analytics, and intelligent automation. Automotive systems today run across multiple plants, suppliers, and regions. Yet many still rely on disconnected data, manual tracking, and outdated planning tools. Kanerika helps close those gaps, bringing clarity, control, and consistency to every stage of production. Our AI and automation solutions help manufacturers stay in sync, from design to delivery. Autonomous systems handle production data, quality inspections, and maintenance alerts, reducing manual errors and downtime. Predictive analytics forecast demand, optimize inventory, and balance workloads across plants. With Kanerika's technology, automotive leaders have reduced downtime by up to 50%, improved forecasting accuracy by 35%, and achieved faster go-to-market cycles. Technology alone doesn't transform manufacturing. Alignment does. At Kanerika, we ensure smooth integration with existing systems, support cloud migrations, and train teams for long-term success. The result is a connected, intelligent factory built for tomorrow's challenges. With Kanerika, automotive enterprises move faster, work smarter, and deliver with precision. Contact us today to discuss your use case.